This is Taj English Academy. I'm your lecturer, your guide, advisor, Dr. Taj Firdousi. My dear friends, my dear students, in my last lecture, I told you that the policy, the way, the system of education in these days has gone corrupt. What do you mean corrupt? Only in the name of education, people are minting money like anything. Why? They want to see that their college gets the best result, 100% success, and get all the students to come to them and take a higher price for the admission. It's business. So to get that result, to show the people that we got the best results, we are top 10, we are top 5, we are the most leading ones in education. So what they do? They kill, they massacre the people, the students' life by giving more and more and more and more things to do. Projects, work, day, night. And what's the student doing? He is in the college and he goes back with lots and tons of homework and lot of projects. My dear man is not a machine, it's not a computer. This brain needs some rest, the body needs some rest, and the body needs some developing exercises, sports. College may say that we have already planned and scheduled some 1 hour or half an hour for cricket, football, sometimes here and there. That's what they say, but after some time you see that they put this one as an extra classes, something, because they want to boost, they want to bring the result in the highest place. How do they do that? By torturing the people, by saying that you should finish this project and bring it back within 1 day, 2 days. And the students have no time to sit with their parents. So the schools and colleges are keeping the children, the students away from their parents. That bondage, that kind of mixing, that kind of relationship between the children and the parents and the children is gone completely. Who is that one? It's in the name of getting the top 10. Not only that one, I don't blame only the colleges. What about the parents? The parents, oh, I want my son to be better than that boy who is in the next house. Oh, I want my daughter to be a doctor, so she should score more than that girl and that boy. And she is asking, how much did you score? Is it above or below with that or this? Are you the top? What number is that? Your rank. What are you doing? You are trying to see that the tough competition, asking, read, study, and day and night, within no time, the big thick glasses the children have, and there is no time. But people say that one, yes, what you are talking, my children are always in the computer, tick. Naturally, they should have some free time to do. But excess is bad. Anything excess is bad. You should avoid. You should see that the children are not using most of the time, but they should have some break. When they study for 1 hour, 15 minutes, they should feel free, watch some nice things, be with parents and friends, talk to them, go around outside and walk around, exercises, and have a break with light stuff eating, like vegetable, like fruit, salads, and pure fruit juice. Better not to go for juice. Fruit is better. Why? I can explain to you later. What the students have to eat, what the students have to do, that also I'm going to tell you in the next class. So now is my advice to all the institutions, colleges, schools, and the principals, that never torture your students in the name of bringing the best result and top 10 college in the city. Don't do that. Let them be happy. A sound mind in a sound body. It's important. So the body should also work. They should feel free. There should be some social gathering with the family and all that. Never, 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 never give too much of homework load on the students. Everything should be done in the colleges, and that's it. The colleges are meant for that only. Studies, studies, studies. When they come back, let the children, let the boys and the girls be with their parents. And my dear parents, I'm referring to the children's parents. Please, please, never try to compete and find that my daughter and my son should be above that boy. He should get better than that, better than this. And don't compare and contrast. And the student, your child, can't bear it. Don't force and compel. He will start or she will start hating you, the very system of studies. Never. It should be very simple with love. Never compete. Never give any kind of competition to say that who is first, who is second. Even if the child is almost down, nothing. It's all right. There is time for the whole life. Right now, in the third and the fourth and the fifth standard, when the boys and the girls are small, they are not becoming doctor right now. Go ahead slowly. But with physical exercises, sports, and entertainment, and good food, natural food, homemade food, homemade. That I'm going to talk to you in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Please avoid that competition. Parents, please let the children be your children. Don't cut off that relationship in the name of homeworks, in the name of getting better education. They should be nice. They will definitely get the receptivity level, which I did it and I talked to you in my last lecture. Please see the reception, the receptivity level in the mind, how to increase, how to improve, when to study. The title is When to Study. Okay, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please share this with all your friends. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair.